Namaste dosto, I finally found a reason to show you my chai masala recipe. It's got all these beautiful, beautiful spices in it. And what a chai masala is, it's the spices you put into an Indian masala chai, an Indian milk tea. It's what gives masala chai its incredible aromatic flavor. And the reason I'm showing you right now is because I finally found a reason to make this. And it's because tomorrow Manisha and I, we're going to her mother's village in Rajasthan, and I've got to take a big batch for my sister-in-law there. Because I gave her a small batch last time, she took it to the village and it got finished so damn quickly. But that was when I knew I had the right recipe. The villagers finished the chai masala and they requested more. So this is the final recipe I came up with, and I tried so many different recipes online, 7 or 8 different recipes. And I came across this one by Chef Ranveer. He's a YouTuber, a great YouTuber, and I'm gonna link to his video in the description, so please go and check it out. I've taken his ingredients list and I've just kind of changed it a bit for my taste. Now this chai masala, you're gonna get a very, very strong flavor of elaichi in it, okay? That is what I really love in my tea. A bit of ginger, a lot of elaichi, and this is fennel seeds. This is the secret ingredient in an amazing chai masala. So let's make it now, and then come with me and we'll deliver it to Nisha in the village. I'll take you on a ride, okay? And the recipe is in the description. The recipe is very simple. You're gonna dump and grind the hell out of it, okay? I know that all sounds very spicy, but we are making a masala, right? So dump the ingredients into the grinder and just go mad, all right? First ingredient, my most favorite ingredient, green cardamom, or elaichi. We're making a big batch for Nisha, okay? Then we've got fennel seeds. I had never had these in chai masala before. Didn't even know these things existed, but yeah, they're just beautiful. Dried ginger powder, 1-inch dalchini, then cloves. So this is the body of the chai masala that we're working on now. We've done all the sweet. Oh, I put in too many cloves. Oh, there you are. Hang on, we gotta go back. Too many cloves, I doubled the cloves. No. It was 16 black peppercorns, and I love pepper. And the magic ingredient, saffron. You don't have to put this in, but I just find this saffron just adds a really rich flavor to this chai masala. This makes it a royal chai masala, this beautiful saffron. And all these spices I got from the Delhi Spice Market. I've made a video on how to shop at spice markets in India. If you're coming here, you can come and buy all these kind of whole spices. And last of all, a huge, huge pinch of salt for this big batch we're making. Now, second part, grind. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. And what I learned is, we're just grinding spices, but this thing gets so hot. If you touch that right now, your finger's gone, it'll fall off. Now, look at what we've got. Look at that. It's beautiful, Papa. Oops, spilt it. If you want to know how I make my masala chai, I literally learned it from the chai wallahs on the street here in Delhi. It is really, really easy to make, and this is the magic ingredient for your chai masala. Oh, that's a bit sad. I'm gonna top it up, but this is what we're gonna come out with, okay? This beautiful green powder, which is just gonna make the taste of your masala chai just explode. Rajasthan now, and we're at Manisha's mum's family home. There it is in there. क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं?
इंग्लिश में बात करके दिखा.
How are you?
I'm fine.
वाह, शाबाश. अच्छी अंग्रेजी वेनु जी. You're learning. At the store in the village here, you don't actually find much. You don't get like a block of chocolate like that. You kind of just get these 1 rupee toffees. So when he gets like a Kinder Joy or one of these fancy chocolates, it's a good day.
नमस्कार. मैं आज आपको एक कविता सुनाना चाहता हूँ. मेरा नाम विवान है. मैं केजी 1 क्लास में पढ़ता हूँ. माँ मुझे बंदूक मंगा दो, मैं भी लड़ने जाऊंगा. दुश्मन को मार भगाऊंगा. इन छोटे छोटे हाथों से दुश्मन को मार भगाऊंगा. भारत का वीर सिपाही बन माँ का कष्ट मिटाऊंगा.
अच्छी बात है. नमस्ते जी. राम राम. कैसे? कौन जीत रहे हैं?
ये जीता बुढ़ाई.
ये जीत रहा है.
बहुत अच्छा. चलो हम केक जा रहे हैं. वेनु, helicopter लाओ.
ये रहा मेरे पास हेलीकॉप्टर.
There's a thing on it. There's a thing you can hold. Oh, I stood on cow poop. ये sheep है. Sheep या बकरी है?
Hey, बकरी.
बकरी. Let's go play with this बकरी. Oh, वे जा रहे हैं. नहीं. Hey guys, seeing how beautiful the village is? Love being back at the village here in Rajasthan. All the animals are here. There's even camels as well. We're off to the gate now, to the farm I mean. And we're gonna go see what Auntie and Uncle are doing. They're working in the fields. There's not much labor here at the moment actually. They've all gone back, so they're doing all the work. दूसरे लोग चाय मसाला को नहीं, दूसरे लोगों को चाय मसाला मत दो, ठीक है?
नहीं दूंगी.
आपके लिए.
ठीक है.
अगर वे चाय मसाला चाहिए तो मुझको बताओ, मैं और बनाऊंगा, है ना?
ठीक है.
Namaste ji. So on this farm, they're making mung dal, they're making kala chana, and a few other things. So these guys can keep their energy. We're making some kind of fried sugary biscuits. What's their name, Manu? Tuwali? Acha. This is what it looks like. Oh, yum. Tractor's back in action. It's a deep fried small pancake. If you want to see a full tour of this village, I've done it. I did it about a year and a half ago, so you see exactly all the action that happens here in this beautiful village here in Rajasthan.